For this video, you need a Linux machine, setvtrgb tool, and basic Linux skills. Let's get started. setvtrgb is a CLI tool that accepts file or string arguments to change color of the virtual terminal, which in this case is a TTY. Create a file for the program. You can name and put it whenever you want, even if it's not in your user home directory. For my case, I'll name it vtrgb without a file extension. After opening it with the text editor, create 16 lines with each line having one hex code color. These colors need to follow the ANSI color code, with the first 8 as a darker color and the last 8 as a brighter color. Next, go into a TTY and test the colors. If you're satisfied with the looks, there is still a problem of how to enable the colors before logging. This is where hooks come in. In a nutshell, because of various constraints of the hardware, the kernel boots up a smaller user environment, named initial RAM disk, before loading the actual system. And hooks are scripts that get executed for the initial RAM disk. We want to write a custom script inside of /etc/initcpio/hooks for another build hook, in /etc/initcpio/install. Name both hooks the same name without the file extension. Make them executable too. Next, write a run /hook function with the testing color command inside the hook script. Clearing out the terminal is also visually important. For possible busybox integration, begin an ash script. In the build script, write the build function that includes the hook script, setvtrgb, and the hex color file. The help function is optional. Last step is to include the hook inside the makeinitcpio.com file in the /etc folder. Write your hook name inside the hook section. Run makeinitcpio-p linux with root to generate the initial RAM disk with the setvtrgb installed. Restart the computer, and the color should be set by default. Thanks for watching. If you think my videos are helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you can receive more useful future tutorials. Comment below if you have any questions. Anyways, have a great day.